Lesson 5: How to Write an Abstract. An abstract is a short summary of your research article, essay, or report. It should be about 6 to 7 sentences long and should include the following key elements. Number 1, a statement of the problem and objectives. Number 2, a statement of the significance of the work. Number 3, a summary of employed methods or your research approach. Number 4, a summary of findings or conclusions of the study. And lastly, number 5, a description of the implications of the findings. An example of an abstract. This example abstract is taken from Poto and Perron's 2021 article, A Co-Created Methodological Approach to Address the Relational Dimensions of Environmental Challenges, when critical legal analysis meets illustrated storytelling. Within this example, identify and underline the 5 key elements of an abstract. The example goes as followed. Environmental education research needs to consider the relational dimension of the ecological challenges of our time. Through the lens of critical legal analysis and participatory research, we explore the beneficial effects of co-creating knowledge with the help of a specific learning toolkit built around storytelling and designed to stimulate respectful relationships between participants. The LT addresses a wide audience of students, researchers, and Indigenous and local communities. The result is that both education and research becomes part of the solution to the challenge itself in the shape of a harmonious, relational, and transformative experience. The solution lies in the recognition of the individual and collective capacity to change systems by changing relationships. Only through a collective effort towards a common sense of trust and relational accountability can we heal the individual and collective wounds of humanity and thus to the planet. Tip: the 5 key elements of an abstract do not follow a strict and linear flow. It is up to the writer's imagination on how and where they want to outline each element. In this activity, think about a recent essay that you have written or an article you have read. Write a short summary of that document using the 5 key elements of an abstract as a guide. Tip: think about the similarities between an abstract and proper paragraph structure. For instance, the statement of the problem and objectives can be viewed as your topic sentence. This may help you better understand the task. When writing an abstract, it is important to recognize the factors that will help get your piece noticed. This includes choosing an effective and relevant key terms and the subsequent creation of a powerful title. For further clarity of the process, please review the framework outlined below. The process of writing research first begins with the development of the paper itself. This paper will then be summarized into an abstract. From the abstract, you should identify keywords you want to be associated with your piece. This will help you summarize your piece effectively into a title. Your title should give your audience an overall sense of your paper's topic. Within the example of Poto and Perron's 2021 article, you can see the abstract above. The key terms identified by the authors include participatory learning, critical legal theory, integral ecology, and relational. From these key terms in the abstract, they develop the title, A Co-Created Methodological Approach to Address the Relational Dimensions of Environmental Challenges, when critical legal analysis meets illustrated storytelling. Now that you've written your own abstract, think of 5 to 3 words you want to be associated with your piece. Using these keywords, try to build a title. Remember that a title serves as the summary to the summary, so make sure it is concise but catchy. Tip: avoid using question marks as they can interfere with the search engine's algorithm. You can also use a colon to further expand on the title.